sun is dancing. You know, I was saying, oh my Lord, you know, it is amazing, you know, but I know that the Lord is with me. And I tell you, I just say, everybody can do this because the Lord uses each of us. But you just have to open your heart. Open your heart to the Lord. You need to just say, Lord, use me in your mighty way. Because it's the Lord who's doing it. It's not me. I cannot kill, but He gave me a gift. And I would say those words. And again, you know, even if you just say your prayer, but it's from your heart. Everything has to be from your heart. And you believe in God. And then, you know, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible with it. So, you know, the life becomes more easier. And even the children, you know. To me, I have prayed over my children to go back to church. Because I said these kids are from Catholic, from the St. Ignatius and all, you know. But they do, you know. Now they do. It's like, Mom, it's so different when you have a personal relationship. I said, there you go. See, it works, okay? Because kids get lost. They're so busy with everything else that's happening in their lives. And of course, they forget about the Lord. But I said, oh, you know, Lord, please touch the heart and soul of these kids, you know? They're not bad kids, they're good kids, but they just forget. So now, you know, I tell you, that is really, I'm just so grateful, but I like to share with you because, and the Lord gave me that gift that I pray over people, you know, I would pray over, and I would share. Yeah, sure.
Kailangan
I
mo
would share
share.
the gift